In 2013, Rwanda was ranked the best performing country in East Africa, as well as the third easiest place to do business in Sub-Saharan Africa by the World Bank. This was because of the government's efforts to make all the necessary reforms to make it a business-friendly environment. To further attract foreign direct investment, Rwanda has established the Kigali Special Economic Zone, which is located in Gasabo district, 10 minutes drive from the Kigali International Airport, the city center, and the main road connecting all borders.
What do they find there? They find a modern road network, tarmac, throughout, but they also find fiber optic for fast internet, but also they do find a central sewage system to ensure a clean and green industrial area in the framework of our EDPRS too.
The Special Economic Zone Phase 1 and 2 occupies 98 and 178 hectares of land respectively, and the government is now planning for Phase 3, which is expected to occupy 134 hectares. Some investors are already starting to take advantage of the Special Economic Zone.
In 2010, when we came here, and we were told about that a new industrial park is coming, what we were very surprised was the level of development. The roads were in place, electricity was already here, water was already here. It's like you just have to come, you start constructing, and then you can start your work. Many times what will happen, you will construct everything, then you're running around. Now I need electricity, now I need water. The good thing with this special economic zone here is that everything is already in place.
We have different customers, even for some big companies, they buy for high building, also some private, they build a small house for themselves.
Not only does the Special Economic Zone provide opportunities for business, it also provides skilled and semi-skilled workers the opportunities to gain employment.
Icyambere ubumenyi bwanjye bwariyongereye. Natangiye kwiga imashini nyigishwa n'umushinwa, ariko umaze gufata experience mu rwego rwo hejuru ku buryo nanjye nshobora kuyisetinga ukama size y'urupapuro iyo ariyo yose nka settinga nkakora envelope nkayikwereka.
Special economic zones have the ability to promote private investment, industry, and export growth as they offer quality infrastructure, streamlined business regulations, and incentives to investors and businesses.
On top of that, we are also, for the special economic zones, the current investment code allowed people operating within the special economic zones or having a status of special economic zones to instead of paying 30% income tax, they are paying only 15%. But also you can have that status if you have fulfilled all the requirements.
The good thing with a country like Rwanda is that they do what they say. Many a times there is a gap, we'll talk big things, but when it comes to implementing, you'll find there is a very, very big gap there. Another very good thing about Rwanda, like I have been here for 3 years, my father has been here, he doesn't stay here, but he has been doing business here for almost now 7 to 8 years. We have never faced a problem of corruption.
Hari ibintu nagezeho bigaragara ndetse bigaragarira n'amaso y'abantu mu mibereho yanjye ya buri munsi ugereranyije nuko narindi ntari nakora kano kazi.